forecasting agency WGSN predicted at the start of the year that ube was poised to become a super influential flavor across food and drink categories worldwide.
If you're not familiar with it, it is a purple yam that is from all over Southeast Asia. It's primarily found in Filipino food.
Our most popular item.
The star of the show being the creme caramel topped ube cupcake.
So people come for miles just to come and photograph this thing.
They do.
Anyone who doesn't experience it is missing out.
It's called ube. It's not just the taste, but the vibrant purple color makes it a bigger standout. Ube is a purple tuber or yam native to the Philippines, prominently used in a variety of desserts.
Usapang ube tayo mga kaproud. At hindi basta-bastang ube dahil gold standard ube to mga insan. Willing ka bang tikman ang $100 worth of ube o humigit kumulang 5 hanggang 6,000 piso para sa isang donut? Aba, matindi!
Wow.
What do you think?
That's amazing.
It
tastes better than I would expect.
Bumida nga noon ang $100 ube donut sa Manila Social Club ni Chef Bjorn De La Cruz sa Brooklyn, New York.
It's a purple yam that's indigenous to the Philippines. I'm a Filipino chef. It is 24-karat gold. It's completely edible.
At syempre, hindi natatapos sa ube donut ang pamamayagpag ng purple yam sa ibang bansa. Binibida din ng ating mga kababayan ang iba't ibang putahe na affordable naman at swak sa budget ube recipe.
My mom made a lot of Filipino desserts, but the flavors aren't familiar to anybody. So ube was something that I remember growing up. And if you don't know what a ube is, it's a Filipino purple yam that's really organically bright purple in color.
Like, hey, what about this? What about this? What about this? Like Filipino desserts, and I love them, and they're so ingrained in me.
20 years ago, this ingredient wasn't so widely known, but in recent years, it's exploded onto the food scene, including in the DMV, thanks to social media and more recognition from up-and-coming chefs.
It tastes like potatoes. It's just great.
The frozen treat is flavored with ube, a purple tuber or yam.
Hindi na nga may pagkakaila na sumisikat at na-feature na ang ating paboritong panghimagas na ube sa ibang bansa.
Wow! What's ube?
It's ube.
What's that?
It's like a sweet potato.
Potatoes can be sweet?
I mean, it's technically a yam.
Yams?
Isa lamang ang cartoon series na Steven Universe sa iba pang mga cooking show online na nag-feature sa ating super panghimagas na ube.
It's done. So, how is it?
It's amazing!
Naging laman nga ng kaliwat ka ng how to make ube cake ang social media dahil na din sa kakaibang karisma at sarap ng ating pambansang ube.
So first off, I have my ube. I'm going to put that into my nice heavy bottom saucepan. Here I have some evaporated milk. Now, if you can't buy evaporated milk, don't worry, because of course I've got a recipe on my website along with the recipe for the jam. It's really easy, it's sugar and milk. So add that in there.
We're just gonna fold it in. We don't want to mix it too much because if we do, then all the air will go out. Whoa. Whoa.
Food porn.
Yeah, food porn. All right.
Powdered sugar, laying down onto a piece of parchment paper, removing the baking parchment paper, revealing the beautiful purple underneath, dusting once again with powdered sugar, sandwiching between layers of parchment paper and pre-rolling while still warm, then setting aside and allowing to cool completely, which apparently creates a sort of memory in the cake.
Patunay ang iba't ibang featured videos sa maraming YouTube channel patungkol sa ating pamosong ube na talaga namang tanggap at sarap na sarap sa panlasang dayuhan ang ating sikat na pambansang dessert.
Bueno, ya tenemos aquí el pastel ube de Steven Universe. Es decir, que ha quedado cuadrado. Fíjate qué maravilla. Bueno, ahora a partirlo me da pena. En realidad es que me da pena. Pero es que tengo que probarlo. Wow.
Baligonhon, kabusok, tamisan, apalek, at kinampay. Anumang uri ng ube, lahat yan makikita sa ube capital ng Bohol, ang Tagbilaran City. Sari-saring laki at hugis ng mga ube ang ibinida sa kanilang ube festival.
Sa unang tingin, akala mo ordinaryong turon lang. Pero kapag kinagat, bukod sa saba, may palaman din pala itong sangkatutak na ube. Ito ang ube turon.
Marami pa ring bisita ang dumarayo sa Good Shepherd sa Baguio City para bumili ng isa sa mga paboritong pasalubong mula Baguio.
Ano magagawa ko, wala.
May mga na-curious at naghahanap ng white ube. Yun nga lang out of stock na rin ito.
Ikaw ka-proud, anong favorite ube recipe ang hindi mo mapipigilang palampasin at ubusin?
Filipino food movement, I think I absolutely feel like I'm a big part of that. And I've definitely used my culture, who I am and what I'm about and how I was raised to definitely help have that awareness for people of who I am and what our country is about. I feel really proud of that. I feel proud to be a Filipino American. It was the way that I was raised and I'm very, very proud of that.
Kung sa Pilipinas ay may mga ube festival, isa na rin sa malaking parte kung bakit sumisikat ang ube globally ay dahil sa ating mga kababayan na buong proud na ipinapakilala ang ating mga pagkain sa buong mundo.
People came in droves at the Coppola Gardens in downtown San Francisco for the city's first ube festival, Yum Yam.
From all over the Big Island competed in the exuberant cook-off at the first annual Ube Festival.
It's what the community needs. It's just really great to see like the Filipino support and seeing what everybody does with the ube ingredient.
From ube ice cream to ube donuts to ube crusted pizza. These were just some of the food selections offered to hundreds of people who flocked to the Soma Street Food Park in San Francisco for the second annual Ube Fest last weekend.
Hindi ba nakakatuwang panuurin na ang ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa ay hindi nakakalimot at bagkus ay ipinagmamalaki pa na ipakilala sa buong mundo ang ilan sa ating mga Filipino food na siguradong patok sa panlasang banyaga?
That is, I believe, purple yam ice cream. Yeah, purple yam. Or ube in Filipino.
I'm gonna give you guys a little mukbang moment. Whoa, I'm so high right now. This is the best thing I've ever.
So, sasakit na yung kamay mo. Minsan, pipilitin namin yung to the last point na talaga na bibigay na yung kamay namin, hahaluin namin.
Anumang version ng ube ang ihain sa atin ay siguradong wala pa ring tatalo sa classic at old school na ube halaya. Hinalukay at pinaghirapan lutong may pagmamahal. Ikaw ka-proud, saan ka ba nakatikim ng the best ube? Comment mo na.
Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at siguraduhin nakasubscribe ka na at notification on para updated ka sa susunod pa nating Proud Filipino Moments videos. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!